video ako.
Gagawin mo na. Ano yan? Okay.
Mama!
Ano sasabihin niyo kay Papa? Ano sasabihin mo?
Happy birthday.
Andy.
Happy birthday, Papa. Thank you for taking for me. I love you so much.
Okay. Let's go. Yun na. Papasok na yun. Let's go! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Thank you guys!
Happy birthday to you! One more time! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you!
Wow, thank you. Guys, we're complete and this is a really good birthday experience. Especially here at Twin Lakes Hotel. Salamat sa
Sarap!
fireworks, sa lahat. At ako'y talaga na-surprise. Grabe. Thank you, Kyle. Thank you, Mandy. At syempre, maraming salamat. My wife. Lord, salamat po sa lahat.
Yes! Happy birthday!
Not everyone is as blessed as me, but I'm really blessed. Thank you, guys.
Papa, I have a message.
It's gonna be a long day.
I have a message.
So, let's start this. Oh, what's your message?
Happy birthday, Papa. We love you so much for taking care of us.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Abot si Mama. Baka meron siyang ano.
Happy birthday.
Si Mama, baka meron siyang...
No more. No more. Happy birthday. Thank you for taking care of me.
Si Kuya Kyle.
Happy birthday. Dahil sa'yo, ganito ako kapogi.
Uy! Uy! Did you understand that, Mandy?
No.
What?
I didn't.
Oh, let's blow na.
Thank you.
Oh, let's blow all together. 1, 2, 3.
Let's swim!
Yeah.
Let's swim!
Ako na magmamasahe sa'yo.
Happy ending to ah.
May gaano po, sir.
May gana. Oh, thank you.
Wala na po ibang ititira kundi boxers.
Boxer na lang, grabe naman. No? Napaka ano. Oh.
Knock the door mo when you're... Ito, ano to? Facial po.
Fake masur ko ata to. So guys, dito na kami. At nag-aabang lang kaming pumatok ang... Joke lang. Pag naman sana ang Bulkang Taal. Taal nga ba yun? O Kanlaon? Joke lang. Biro ko lang. So, konting trivia lamang po. Ito pong Twin Lakes ay ginawa dahil may kakambal siya. Yes, twin. Dalawang siyang lakes dito. Yes.
Where have you been?
At kasama ko siyang...
Bakit kaya siya Twin Lakes?
Kasi ayan, dati yung lake. At ang itim na ng ano. Ayan, dan lake. At isa pa, may kakambal yan. Nawawala isa niyang kakambal.
Oo, si Mandy.
Ayun, nakikita niya isa pa. Ayun, kakambal niya. Ayan. Tsaka yan. So, yun lang po, Madam People.